Sori pawb am hynna. Bach o broblem gyda ni. Ooh, those are luckers.
You're doing great. I like you, Deputy. I mean, I must have said,
Oh my gosh, we actually in service our actual
job done, and all of them are dead now. No
satellite, huh?
they didn't follow my orders.
Hello, you know?
Oh, nice.
Yeah, you know.
Like that, yeah.
Hang on, deal.
Back to the lab for
Hey,
phase
Matt.
2.
Sorry, I'm gonna bring a career just for the just restart again.
Okay, oh, so great. Mae wedi gadael ni lan fan hyn. Mae wedi mynd off yn hofrennydd.
Oh na, ti'n stuck.
Serious. Be fi'n neud, oes parachute skill dy fi. Mae rhaid fi check out perks. Rhaid bod parachute gyda ni. Parachute, diolch be. Can you imagine ni jyst yn stuck lan fyna. Neu fi rhaid ni jyst lladdu'n hunan.
Yeah, mae smashing yn wedi dweud just pwynt o.
Yeah, okay, nawn ni'n mynd fyna. O, mae'n eitha neis. Ni wedi seithi wrth i'n compo hefyd.
Hey, ni'n cael crash. Nice.
Ie, nes i just neud yn unlock perk.
Yeah.
So, yeah. Thing yw nawr, mae'n dweud follow Larry, ond mae ar ein prif main story mission, mae'n dweud reach Falls End.
Yeah.
So mae rhaid i fi trio ffeindio... O, dyna fe yn y hofrennydd, so rhaid i fi just dilyn nhw.
The ones we're up against are selfish lovers and real dickheads.
Mae hwn nawr, ni'n mynd i bod yn redig trwy pentref sydd ddim yn bodoli... Oh god.
Oh.
Just trwy y glifin yna. Okay, man, just... Oh, man, silly.
Yeah, dwi jyst yn ofio SMG am all range. Mae'n o beth gweithio.
Falle yn ei ffeindio bach o bwyd. Dim bwyd, ond bywyd. Os fi'n dad neud fe, I guess help. Falle wnaeth ni neud hwn yn canol y mission, hwnna'n oce.
Yeah.
Beth i'n neud? Dyna'n loads gwell. Gan.
Edrych ble ti yn.
Ti'n gwybod yn y dechrau?
Yeah.
Yeah.
Oh.
Ni'n gwybod. Na, mae'r Falls End, dyna yw'r allwedd i gael bach o help.
We must wash away our past. We must expose our sins. We must atone. John Seed. Right, ble ni'n mynd? Ni actually
Yeah,
angen mynd
just mynd, falle wneud Falls End os ti teimlo'n ddewr, ie.
Okay.
Os fi rhaid ni wneud e rhywbryd. Ti'n well gyda'r fel yr banag ydy e. Hwna. Cofio, mae dynamite yn hefyd. Mae nhw'n handi roi ti bach o'i amser. Wel, fi'n credu dyna yw'n target. Fi'n gwyd, achos ni yn eitha gynnar yn y stori i trio wneud hwn, ond bydd e'n fwy o fel gyflawner.
Now, I just met the aim on have a controller.
Na.
What are you doing?
Ta beth beth oedd y glitch yma?
It's like, shoot.
Does na ddim fel alarm na dim byd, mae just mater o cymryd dros y pentre, fyddi?
Yeah, some have my alarm in the pantry.
Na. Fi'n hoffi pethau ni gallu gwneud fel sniper tactics, ond ni ddim gyda hwnna.
Yeah.
Fi'n eisiau mynd ar dan. O, bydd. Bydd tactig gorau, cadw symud. In a zone now, come on.
Now, we come here with a level thing really how, and
Yeah, no, I'm not going now with that. How's that? Dwi'n bach yn disoriented ble mae'n gofyn.
yeah. Now, all my next time you might short, medium,
Oh, right, okay.
long range. My bullets in this was called man.
Okay. Nade.
Oh no. Or just punch.
Na.
Putting you.
Ah. Right. Dau weapon gorau fi yw yr bwa saith a'r sniper.
Doing
Mae
that.
sniper... Yeah. Just... Ddim mor da gyda'r... Wel, mae hwnna ddim... Fi'n hoffi seithi o bellter.
Yeah. Right, we're mynd I trio flank yn efo, trwy cael y dyn hwnna i fyna bwys y capel.
Okay.
Falle bydd e gallu helpu.
Yeah, falle. Westbrook guy.
Yeah.
Is it? Oh, mae yna loot yna. Maybe that's it. Oh.
Right, throw them over in.
Yeah, yeah, os ti'n mynd trwy fanna. Oh, that's a good one. Dyn nhw. Sefyll dros y fe. Ond pa i cymryd y fe mas, dyna'r...
Sut fi'n cael ei ffwrdd?
Ti jyst yn dal a... Fel awan. Ie, Taflu lefel, surely.
Whoops a daisy. Whoops a daisy. Rwy'n colli dwylo nawr, oherwydd hwnna wedi mynd back to the llaw.
Assault rifles yn nice i ddefnyddio. Cadw. O ie, na syniad. Na, taflu dynamite, ie. Oh, nice.
Oh,
Ac eto.
oh, na hwnna. See load in the hole.
Taflu dynamite.
Really got that.
Alright. Did you creu mwy?
Oh yeah.
Trio.
Air support is inbound.
Yes. Oh no.
Call in air support. Take cover. That pilot is in trouble. Eyes on target. If we don't take care of, here comes that holy fire.
How many people are on? Oh, I'm smoking.
Ond ys ddim lot o pwynt, oes e? Sadd y bob i gyd wedyn mynd ar ôl o'r enfau.
Lle mae'n... Dwi'n wedi... Oh, mae'n...
Street. O, mae'n person yna.
That plane's gonna rip us to pieces. Take it out with a machine gun.
God, come on.
Redig nawr. Gael ei gwrdd achos mae'r... Nice. Da iawn.
Oh,
Oh, wow.
nice.
O, actually, os ti'n mynd ar y to, fi'n credu ma' na un arall. Ti'n mynd trwy'r siop. Ond mae rhaid ti bod yn ofalus, bod nhw ddim yn strafe ti. Fi'n credu ie, lan fan'na. Yn ofalus achos os mae fe'n safety
Ie.
ti mor agos. So dyna yw... Ie, dyna ti. A bod yn gyflym bod ti'n cael e cyn fe'n cael ti.
We gotta put as many holes as we can in that plane. Use a machine gun.
Ie, a wedyn.
Here comes that
Dwi'n cael ti.
Come on. Oh, come on!
Nah!
Nah! That would have been... Ah!
Ti'n mynd i mynd ar hwnna?
Yeah.
Oh, mae'n risky. Yes, ti'n derys.
Am I? Oh my gosh.
Ie, ti wedi cael e. Nice. Da iawn. Yes!
Woo!
Yes, da iawn o hwnna.
Nice.
Mae hwnna'n mynd i fod yn help nawr. So ni'n gallu dweud ni
Yeah.
wedi gwneud un outpost ni.
Awesome.
O'n i gwrando ar bach o stori.
My Sladeon would go in. How often do you guys stream? Well,
Unwaith y mis.
unwaith
Unwaith y mis.
Roedd ni gyd yn dod, cwrdd flan am dydd Gwener unwaith
Fel
y mis.
arfer, ie.
Ffilmo couple o fideos, a wedyn streamo fel
Un
arfer
fideo,
am
ie.
awr neu dau.
So yeah,
Yeah.
He will
siŵr
wipe
fod
every
mis
tear
nesa
from
nawr,
their
diwedd mis
eyes.
nesa.
There will
Yeah.
be
Doing
no
this,
more
huh?
death or mourning or crying or pain.
So yeah.
For I know the plans that I have made for you, declared the Lord. Plans to prosper you and not to harm you. Plans to give you hope and a future. I don't claim to know God's plans, but I know a good thing when I see it. Getting quite a reputation, Deputy. You're the first good thing to happen to this valley in a long time.
A little help.
Are you trying to break
Especially
your
if
neck?
only
Seemed
longer
like a
piano.
good idea at the time.
Yeah, diolch yn poeni wedi curo y lefel hynna.
Diwedd. Na, ni ddim wedi bod yn wythnos hir. Dim esgusodion, ond... Oh,
Sorry, didn't
Mary.
realize. All you've done, might as well add Mover to the list, huh?
Thought that Eden's Gate confiscated all of this.
Hell, what kind of fair grave would I be if I didn't have a hidden stash? Learn from the best.
This town, it's been through a lot, Deputy. We owe you thanks, but
I know you're looking for your people. But the truth is, you ain't the only one in need of help. Pastor and I can only do so much.
you could see about lending a hand. Be sure to return the favor. What do you say?
So ni ddim quite di cyrraedd mor bell, ond gyda amser, bydd modd I ni recrwtio
Ooh,
pobl I bod ar ein tîm I helpu ni gyda rai o'r missions.
when you get the chance,
So,
come
fi'n
on.
edrych ymlaen at hwnna.
I'll be there.
Achos, ie, ni angen help. Credu ma... Ti'n gallu cael llewpart, neu ddim teulu, llewpart, fi'n credu. Fi'n gweld nawr, pa.
But Eden's Gate isn't just gonna
Mae merch sydd gyda bwasaeth, a sy'n rili dda.
they push back
Yeah.
hard.
Mae dyn gyda hofrennydd. Ie, mae cwpl opsiynau gwahanol. Mae'n nice.
Hwnna'n edrych fel Hot Wheels car.
Ydy. Eisiau checio un peth. Fi'n credu ar rai o'r perks. Black Market. So mae hwn, fi'n credu, yn rhoi ni fel pethau fwy diddorol.
Now we will buy more shops. Oh, nice.
So fi'n credu mae hwnna'n un werth cael.
Yeah.
Primal Master. Achos sut ni'n ennill arian yw trwy hela. So, opsiwn ni gyda yw jyst I mynd i'r spots lle mae lot o arth, eirth a pethau fel yna. A wedyn jyst ennill lot o arian. Ond rhan o fi'n meddwl, os ni'n cael hwnna, gallwn ni gael y bwa saith a defnyddio tiod, y rai. A
Yeah.
jyst neud hwnna.
Trio
Trio
fel
fe.
yna.
Trio fe. A wedyn dylen ni nawr gyda items yn gallu cael fwy o pethau. Dyma ni. So, boom, 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 boom. No, I ddim eisiau hwnna. Oh well. Explosive arrow. Dim ond 5 sydd. Ond... Wedyn... Checking bit. Credu mae yna ffordd o gallu cario mwy. Sabotage, na. Sneaky. On melee weapon. Dwi ddim yn cael... Oh well.
Well, you from the air. That Argon was
Dwi just mewn y siop efo rocket launcher just a mae'n just brushed o fel ignore the rocket launcher.
Yeah.
Just gonna sweep the floor.
Fi'n gwybod. Okay. Ti'n mind efo fi'n mynd hyn. Sorry. Just... Dan ni wedi gwneud ammo. Now,
Nice.
rally arm convoy.
Foss End is the heart of this whole valley.
Sorry, John's trucks
Liberating
in the
that
road.
place will go a long way in building a resistance against the cult. I've known Neri and Jerome for a long time.
Okay, so ble ma nhw? Os ni'n mynd allan, ti'n dangos ni?
Oh, wow.
Yeah, so dyna'r tri ardal wahanol.
Honest folk, and they won't let you down.
O, mae loads o pethau am ddim. Bydd o'n ffain prynu nhw pan chi ti jyst pigo nhw fyny. Hwna. Hwna gwastraff arian. Nhw'n mynd i dangos ni beth. Judge. Right. Journal. Track. Death Wish. Retrieve his track and tag team the cultist in destruction. Oh. Okay. It's gonna need Death Wish. Okay.
Nice. Testicle Festival. Okay.
Stop and retrieve.
If we would sign on and do it.
Yeah,
If we do it
Yeah.
Testicle Festival.
Yeah, that's on it.
Oh no.
Oh, mae'n symud, is it? Oh, mae fe traps.
Slade Gun does really great. I'm going to jump into some games myself, or some stream, or jump in again. Don't matter, no start. Oh, diolch am gwrando, Slade John.
Yeah.
Joio games ti, gweld y tro nesaf.
What's that? Tro nesaf, say John.
No star. Oh! Oh!
Sorry,
Wow.
wow. We need hwnna. Okay. Oh, mae loads of goodies, man.
Nice.
Right. Na. Dwi'n mynd i fod yn eitha stafnig a cadw gyda'r bwasau. Sorry. Nes i'n ffynnu o pam ti'n dod draw, bydd ti'n jyst swapio nhw. Dim os. Oh.
Uh-oh.
Mae gwna ffordd fwy sneaky. Explosive arrow.
Explosive arrow, nice.
Oh. Sorry, I thought I'm more stupid. Oh my god.
Yeah,
Beth o'n i'n meddwl?
we're
Oh
on
my
level, it's like,
god.
explosive arrow. Hang on a minute, ni angen rescue
Sorry,
a truck
oh,
hwnna.
Just really blino, jeez. Oh my god. Unwaith o'n i'n neud, o'n i'n meddwl, yeah, beth fi'n neud.
Oh,
Hwnna'n
no.
stupid.
Oes yna quad bike rhwng?
Stop and retrieve the Death Wish. Oes.
Ne.
Oh, dyna.
Down there!
Woo! Oh! Oh na! Pam nhw mewn helicopter?
I don't see crash anyway. Mae neud i mas?
Oh!
Sgwad! Dal sgwad! Dal sgwad! Triangle. A ti di mewn. Awn ni. Awn ni.
Ah, rwy'n fi gwasgu triongl, like, you know.
Oh. Yeah.
Ah.
Ai, 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 ai,
Mae'r caravan kind of odd shape ydi o, mae'n fel
Ydi.
syth o wedyn flat.
Yeah. Yeah, right ar y gwaelod.
Yeah.
Mae wedi gwneud trim bach yn credu.
Yeah.
Mae fe'n cadw siarp.
Yeah.
Okay. Mae'n siŵr bod nhw yn mynd i pasio ni te, os mae'n mynd yn gyflymach.
Yeah. Wel, mae o'n dod draw o'r ffordd hyn. Yeah, mae o'n. I'm just trying to look back.
Nope. I didn't get some shit.
Uh-oh.
Have a problem. I really am. Ti'n mae rai yn fwy fath o gerbyd.
Yeah.
Os ddim yn gweithio mas o hwnna. O falle'r ffôn yna.
Ti angen trwy llaw y driver. Gyrwr.
Yeah. Oh gosh. You need Thomas. Oh. Sorry, Thomas. Remember. Big thing. Oh, baby.
Oh!
Oh, dear.
Oh.
So, fi'n siŵr ma' 'na ffordd o fi fel saethu... Oh, yeah, ma' 'na newyddion. Mae'n dod at.
Mae wedi gyrru... Mae wedi gyrru lan fyna.
Yeah.
Ooh.
Oh, oedd hwnna'n eitha cool, actually.
Ooh, that's mighty parcio.
Yeah.
Yn ôl I hell. Hell.
Hell. Sorry, hell, I was thinking about effer.
Yeah, mae'n ôl ar y hell yma.
Da bod fi'n gwybod ble mae'n mynd. Sat nav da dy fi. Wel, am ryw reswm, mae jyst mynd mewn sgwar. So... Okay, mae jyst cymryd y hel mewn. Gosh, I'm heavy. Oh, mae yna person gyda'i ci yn cerdded. Oh, falle gallai gofyn I hi am help. Maybe we might be unlucky.
And then having these assholes. Old Man Redler's a genuine war hero. Even at his age, he's never backed down from a fight. All the same, I hope he has...
Dip, if you find yourself running low on funds, the best way to make a quick buck is to go hunting.
Nice.
There's a lot of folks out there who'll pay good money for meat and
Oh,
skins.
hello.
Don't let the piggies get their hands on you. Trust me.
Okay, felly na I cymryd hwnna. Ffeindio... Pietro fan'na?
Yeah, mae fe'n bus.
Probably, os fi'n mynd ffordd yma, byddai'n cymryd fan'na. Yeah, yeah.
Uh-oh.
Dwi'n o'n monkey? Na. Ddim yn ffeindio. Just check shotgun. gweithaf fi erioed wedi gweld. Fi methu multitasgo. Okay, wel, leia fi'n gwybod ble mae fe. Fi ddim eisiau torri'r cerfyd, ond mae'n tricky trio wneud y ddoi beth ar yr un pryd.
Yeah.
Okay, fi cael gweld. Oed yw, os fi'n mynd reit agos i fe, fydd e'n haws. Cos fi bach yn exposed.
Oh, nah.
O na! Mae'n anodd. Credu y pwynt yw i drio gael arfau ti'n cyfforddus gyda defnyddio.
Yeah.
Ca. Right. O falle mae rhywbeth lan y tŵr yna sy'n... O,
What do you mean, huh?
o mae rhywun yn just like this.
Right, really don't do that.
Yeah? Okay.
Actual lucky one.
Right.
Running through was Jacobian.
Yeah, tynnu fe mas fel
Yeah.
footage. Basio fe dros.
Come on. Come to get us up.
O, dyna nawr ti'n gallu. Sut i just canolbwyntio ar safety.
My car and honey.
Yeah, that's right. Sorry. Auto drive?
Yeah.
Oh, that makes 10 years. Thank you.
Did we answer the bullets? Yeah.
Tabla. Na, oh.
Trying to jam
Oh, man.
Whoops.
Beth yw'r trio? O, na, bydd yna ddim cap. So ni'n meddwl fath yma, gan arall sydd fel opsiwn o. Just bwyd fel nawr. Nawr.
I don't really.
Mae'n tricky, ie, achos gyda... Ti'n gallu ffeindio arf neu rhywbeth.
Yeah.
Ie, ti'n bron yna, ond... Fel mae convoy pwerus fyna, maen nhw'n mynd dal ni.
Oh, really drone.
Ie, really true.
Oh no.
A pwerus.
Oh. Ah.
Yn curo ni ar hyn o bryd. Ie, dyna thing. ar ôl wneud rai missions, mae modd datgloi rai cymeriadau i helpu chi.
Ie.
Achos dyn ni ddim wedi wneud hwnna to. Bydde hwn lot haws gyda rhywun arall. Un person yn gyrru a'r llall yn saethu.
Ie.
So, dyna ni. O, yn oed achos pob tro ni'n nôl mewn lleoliad lle gwahanol. Fe lle ydyn ni nawr?
Sy'n siŵr.
Hwn oedd yr un o'n i'n gwneud library. Spell no. O. Na dwi ddim. O, beth o hwnna?
Mochyn. Wild boars, no?
Ie. Twr.
Old man Redler's a genuine war hero. Even at his age, he's never backed down from a fight. All the same, I hope he hasn't tried to pick one with Eden's Gate.
Beth ni jyst yn mynd hela yma chydig.
Ie.
Dyma beth. Gweld e?
Oh my god, it ain't a wildcat.
Go, okay.
Gosh, we'll go then.
Ydy, hela. Hela.
Let's try that. Cougar.
Okay. Gwylio am na. Aros. Bach o hela. Just
Dyna un.
Byddwn ni wedi syth gyda dwy waith yn y pen. Byddwn ni wedi O! Ni wedi tynnu fan o. Yn hoffi hela. Nas, falle. O na, sy'n gen i ddim byd. O, mae fe dal yn redig yn mynd o gwmpas. Fi'n credu beth, falle, syniad cuddio yn y llwyn a ro'n wneud headshot wrth i fe mynd o gwmpas.
Ie. Ie, actually, hwnna'n syniad da. Trio hwnna.
Use guns for hire to help you to stop the death bush. Well, ni ddim di unlock y neb. Gweld bod yn helpu at the rate ti angen helpu bobl
Ie.
mewn gwahanol llefydd cyn ar yn ymwneud. Okay.
Get down there!
Ni weld ble mae hwnna. Fi'n credu mae hwnna mewn region gwahanol.
Hell yeah!
Way.
Damn it!
amser til si gael.
Hot yn y chwarter.
Ie.
Yeah?
Mae chwarter I 10 nawr, man.
Yeah. Dwi'n okay, neu...
Ie.
Chwarter I roi copy. No. Mas.
Hey there, name's Nadine, and I was hoping you could help me out. See, my grandpa had these comic books from when he was a kid.
So ma'n rhyfel
I
am y
guess
gyd
since he
mae
knew none of his kids
eisiau yw
wanted them,
comic
he sold
books.
them.
Llyfrau
I
comic.
wanted them,
Nice.
and now Grandpa's gone thanks to the cult. I don't have anything to remember him by unless I can get those comics back. If you could find the comics for me, I'm sure I could make it worth your while. I need the complete run.
Oh, jeez.
Worse. Are you kidding me?
I gwell i fi gael... Os ni'n gallu cael y fenyw sy'n hela,
If you're buying, I'm selling.
bydd hwnna'n handi achos gallen ni ennill loads o arian.
Ie.
A wedyn gallen ni gael y guns gorau.
Ie.
So yeah.
Bydd hwnna'n da.
Goddamn Peggy's are...
So na'n mynd, bod e'n eitha bell, dwi'n credu bydd e'n eitha cool I gael. Lle mae? Aaron Lumber Mill.
Name's Jess. Jess Black.
Game for themselves.
Mae'r... Mae'n dweud bod e'n tri seren o... Wel, tri seren o faint mor anodd yw e, so os na'n siŵr.
Bydd hwnna'n galed neu...
Fi ddim siŵr. Oh, mae loads yn y... Mae'r map mor fawr.
3,000 metres o hwnna. Ie.
Wel, gallai lladd cwbl o bobl.
O, mae car fyna. Car gyf.
O ie. Dwi'n gweithio dda. Dwi ddim yn gryf iawn. Dyma'r convoy.
Oh, wow. Mae car fyna ddim yn mor da.
Na. 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 Oh, yn credu ni wedi bwrw wal.
Ie.
Oh. Right.
Ie, mae dim ond 2 pobl yn gwylio ar y Twitch now.
Ie, achos ni'n
Ie.
rubbish. O, dwi wedi colli egni. Ni ddim gyda unrhyw egni.
Got a job for you. I got some big pests to take care of. I need an exterminator.
Falls End, Montana.
Ie, lot o gyflym yma. Cofio.
Wait, ble ar y map ydi hwnna ta? Sut wedi cael y map?
Gwasgu'r... So ni fan'na, gwasgu am Brydau, so ni'n mynd lawr fan'na.
Oh, wow.
So mae'n eitha bell.
Yeah. Inventory?
Drwg, ie.
Oh, bit. Oh, rwy'n accidentally joined a little bit.
What's he?
Yeah.
Oh,
Oh, hynna cool. Just...
sas. Ys bod rhywun yn trio si. Oh. Ah.
House.
Ond nes ti'n mynd trwy thing lle mae olwynion ti? So mae Faith, mae cymeriad hi i gyd am mae grŵp cyffur mae hi'n creu sy'n neud i bobl sy'n dilyn hi ar crefydd gyd teimlo bod nhw'n... O, mae fe yn y llwyn. Oh, nice. O, mae un arall.
Yeah, rwy'n tair sy'n mynd ar hynny.
Yeah.
A rwy'n arall. Pa ffordd yna fawr?
Syth. Anyway.
Ooh. Train.
Train? Oh. Ti'n happy? Mas... Ydy yn si? Ie, fi'n credu oedd e. O na, oedd e fan'na, oedd e dros y bont.
Oh, na, na'n great. A hyn mewn bont am ceir.
Na, shit. Ddim yn credu ma' 'na unrhyw trên yn mynd. A jyst mynd trwy fe.
Daisy. Bydd yn bluff allan. Jacob Siege.
These mountains are home to Eli and his whitetail militia. Now they're heavily armed and wary of outsiders.
Oh!
Just my kind of people.
Mae un nhw dal yna.
Heard anything from Eli in days.
Oh,
So I expect they're already at war with Jacob Seed. Only message I did get was from my niece, Jess.
rwy'n yn gwneud
O, reit, falle auto...
Turn the lumber mill into a prison camp. Maybe you can start there.
Use medkit trio nhw. Ie, a wedyn... Os ti'n gwasgu auto, falle wedyn gwasgu medkit. So dal lawr trio nhw. Ti'n just joio'r golygfa wedyn?
Neis.
Dyma'r... Ond, cofio y syniad o yr thing, yeah, sneak attack.
Yeah.
Mae hwn bron yn union lle o'n i diwedd y stream diwetha.
Yeah.
Lle o'n i'n dweud, yeah, mae'n rhaid i mewn ffôn. Dyna lle mae'r peth, ond ti'n methu ddim credu ti'n gallu cael e hwnna. Ond rhaid bod yna mwy nag un hefyd, so... Cael ei weld. No, sa'n ni'n cael. Achos wedyn ni gallu defnyddio y fenyw i cael ar gyfer y mission. Wel, yn fwy bwysig i hela. Achos wedyn ni gallu cael fwy o arian. A wedyn, syniad bod ni'n gallu prynu gwell arfau.
Yeah.
Yeah. Ydy am hwn i'n cyfer? Ydy wedi?
Yeah, dyna fe.
Nice. All alarms disabled, so dyle fe bod yn eitha, ddim syml, ond cofio mae dy ti incendiary arrows,
Ydw fi?
fel gyda tân, a y rai gyda bombs. So mae hwnna bach fwy pwerus. Dal hwnna, a gwasgu triongl.
Ah.
So mae hwnna'n creu tân a hwnna explosive, so mae lain ti. Ond dim ond 5 o nhw sydd gyda ti, so mae'n werth defnyddio nhw'n ofalus.
Yeah. Cwmpa lawr o'r mynydd.
Ia, o fe. Definitely fe. O, ddim yn Na, yn yr awyr sy'n bach.
Ydy o'n mynd? O, dyna fo.
Lawr. No. Mae un fel yna. Dim ond cwbl gyda ti gofio. Mae rai gyda tan bach, unwaith maen nhw'n dechrau llosgi, rydyn lawr. Unig thing gyda hwnna ddo, os maen nhw'n agos i chi, bydd nhw'n trio redig at ti a bydd nhw'n gallu llosgi ti hefyd. Bydd dim ond fe sy'n ar ôl a ti wedi wneud e. Bydd hwnna'n lle dda i gorffen. Oh, okay. Yeah, was it coeden a wedyn bydd e? Yeah. Perfect. O, un lawr hwnna. O, un lawr hwnna hefyd. O, hwnna. Cofio dynamite hefyd.
Woo!
Nice, yes! No alarms bonus hefyd.
Nice.
Yeah. So
Sweet,
nawr,
ni'n cael y merch yna hefyd.
fi gael y march a bydd ni'n gadw efo na we. Peth dwi eisiau.
Dyna hi.
Ie, dyna pwy ni'n chwilio. Achos gyda guns for hire, chi'n gallu fel zoomo mewn arnyn nhw, loco mewn arnyn nhw, gwasgu fe a mae nhw'n lladd ei ti, so mae hwnna'n dda. Ond wedyn pan chi'n hela, achos os chi'n hela gyda bwa saith a wneud loot, chi'n cael 4 skin yn lle 2, so os ti'n mynd nôl gyda ni, i ychwanegu i'r roster.
Thanks for busting me out. Name's Jess. If you're out here picking fights with the cult, then I'm guessing you already know my Uncle Dutch. Look, I don't got a lot of time to waste. I'm gonna get right to the point.
I was on the trail of one of Jacob's zealots. Goes by the name The Cook. Yeah, don't sound so scary. But believe me, he's one twisted fuck. Almost tracked him down. But a Peggy patrol got the drop on me.
O falle
I
ti angen
need your
neud hwn
help.
cyn i
We
cael
can't
i
let this
gael un.
trail go cold. If you're looking to hook up with the Whitetails, this could be your way in. And more importantly, you'd help put an evil motherfucker in the grave. Gotta move. Wasted too much time already. Follow me.
Cool.
This way.
So ti eisiau gorffen efo un te? Wedi gwneud hyn tro nesaf?
Ydy yn mynd i... Na, fi ddim yn credu ti gallu.
Na.
Wel, just achos... Just na ddim save point. O, na.
Neu
So
mae'r
lan i
save
ti.
points usually.
Wel, ar ôl i ti gorffen... Beth... Wel, mae'n dweud quick mission.
Rwy'n gweld.
So, yn gwneud yn werth... Wedi... Ond, literally, gych chi'n neud, chi'n mynd lan y mynydd, dilyn hi, chi'n lladd pobl mewn fel mine crates peth, a wedyn chi'n ennill.
Oce, gwych. That's gwneud e te.
Ie, mae'n yma. Fi'n ei gysgu yn gyflym. Pryd mae gyda chi... Ie. Mae'r ddoi o chi'n neud e, so...
Oh yes, come on.
Bydde.
Then they slot you into one of two categories. Weak or strong. See, Jacob's building an army. And anyone who can't or won't fight for it winds up dead. Cullen the Hermit, he calls it. Wholesale slaughter of innocent people. Nobody believed it was happening because nobody wanted to believe.
Ti'n gallu cymryd yn munud?
Ie.
Hello?
Shit! Cult up ahead. Then there's the one
Dwi'n mynd
we
mewn.
left.
Un i peth.
Okay.
He's one of Jacob's favorites. The one who leads his purging. The Cook's bought into all of Jacob's bullshit.
Oops.
This motherfucker's gonna get what he deserves. All right, we're almost there.
Right. Lle mae fi wedi bod yn ôl dda. So mae'n...
Shit, I don't see him anywhere. Got some people locked up though. Treats people like fucking animals. Keeping them in cages. Okay, let's do this. But keep your head down. If they spot us, those hostages are dead. Shit, guess quiet ain't your thing. We just have to wait for a chance.
So... Hwna'n mynd i bod yn handi. Dwi'n...
Hey, the hostages!
Thanks,
Let them out of the
JP.
cage.
I thought I was a dead man. There's more of us.
Oh, no.
Oh.
Dwi'n ei...
Them up the mountain.
There's one more!
Na, right.
right up line.
Dwi'n meddwl yn dig.
The cook.
Fan hyn, yn dilyn ti.
He took
Right.
others.
Yeah,
Okay, took him up the
so-
mountain.
Dyma ni. Ni angen mynd lan.
Want to know why they call him the cook? A couple years
Sinead
back,
beth yma.
Jacob sent one of his guys
Yeah,
out
sure.
to round up this family. Parents and kids. First thing he did was starve them. Gave them nothing. Not even a drop of water. After 3 days, they got so thirsty they had to drink their own piss. But the kids didn't want to do it. So the parents forced it down their throats. Kids puked it right back up. Cook didn't like that. So he went and strung the parents up on posts under the hot sun. Hold on. Let's look at what's going on. They're gonna execute him. Take point. I got your back. Remember, if they spot us, those people are dead on sight. Shit, guess we're going loud.
Oh. Right.
Well, they won't try that again. Oh God, hurry up. Thank you so much.
Please help me. My husband.
Thank you.
Right,
Cook's
let me
under
go
the
on.
pit. He's gonna burn him. He's gonna burn him alive.
Let's go.
Not sure I've seen you before. You new? So the cook. Yeah, the parents on posts decided to give the kids a little water. And then he asked if they were hungry. Kids were starving, so they said yes. Started begging for food. Cook asked if they want pork. Kids said yes. So he went out to the parents and took their shoes off and started to play This Little Piggy Went to Market. The blood poured like a damn faucet. Cook had a big old grin on his face as he offered each little piece to the kids.
Ooh.
Pretty soon there were no more piggies left. So he laughed and set the parents on fire. And the air filled up with that sickly sweet smell of roasted flesh.
Ooh, cook.
I'll never forget that smell.
So you hope not.
When they finally stopped screaming, I looked around and he was just gone. Vanished like some sort of demon in the night. Anyways, that's why they call him the cook.
tricky, yeah. Yeah. Oh, stealth approach yn gweithio'n dda, ddo.
Yeah.
Your soul with God's righteous flame.
A dim ond un... Oh, like it. Ti gyda dynamite? Cofio, oedd hwnna'n opsiwn da.
Oh, yeah.
A molotov.
Oh. Whee!
Well, right, cael hwnna. Oh, dyna ti. Pen. Oh, os ti'n aros. Na, fe yw'r un. It's fe'r coc y fe.
Yeah.
Nawr yw'r ran.
Oh.
Good point.
Come on. Come on. Come out.
Ti gyda fwy o bethau i taflu ato fe? Lawr?
Sa'n siŵr.
Ti wedi crafft y bethau? O, ma, jyst cael fel yna.
Dwi yn... Yn eisiau gwneud hwnna. Na. Na, rwy'n methu.
O, dyn ti. Proximity, ti gallu tafu hwnna. Tafu fe lawr. Boom! O na, ti'n... Aros, tan bod e'n cyrraedd. O na, pan bod e'n cerdded yn agosach.
Ah, right, rwy'n
Ti'n
gweld.
meddwl?
Ie.
A wedyn rhoi off detonate. Aros. Dim ond beth sydd yn hwnna. O, dyna ti. No! Yes!
That's a better death than that
Nice.
piece of shit deserves.
O, ar boi na.
Not really ready to cast now. Right, dim ond fe sy'n ar ôl now, rwy'n meddwl.
Ie, ti llis redig la.
Ie.
Wff! Fi'n meddwl ti'n mynd i lladd i yma.
Yeah.
Siarad gyda fi
Hello,
na.
Mr. Cook.
Oh god, I'm wen.
Yeah.
Ti eisiau fe?
I
Na.
feel numb. Dutch was right.
Dutch was right. Cook's dead.
Cook's dead.
And I don't feel.
So, unwaith mae hi ar roster ni, fel
Ie.
ffrind,
All I
Ni
ever
gallu
wanted
gorffen
was
y
to
stryd.
find this guy.
so,
I don't
so diolch yn fawr iawn am rando.
know what
Yeah.
I'm supposed to
Diolch
do.
yn
Nice
fawr iawn.
stream.
He's been right about a
He-
lot of shit lately.
Yeah,
Uh-huh.
you for here.
Colt,
Ni un o'n
maybe he's right about
digon o
you too.
Far Cry am un mis, na?
Yeah.
You need someone to watch your back?
Right.
Call me.
Wel, gweld
And
chi gyd tro nesa.
thanks.
Hwyl.
Oh, well.
Everything you've done.
Dyma ni.